How's it going, guys? This is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Here today to show you the Cobalt 272 that we just took in on trade. It's 27 feet, powered by the 8.1 Volvo Penta. Just got brand new interior done throughout the aft and the bow. You have storage compartment all through the bottom floor here. Moving forward, you got plenty of room up here to fit all your guests, along with another storage compartment down here. Stereo system all through the front and the back as well. A windscreen that comes through right here, locks into place. Again, this is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I took this boat in on trade, so if you got any more questions, feel free to give me a buzz. Or you can come down and see us. We'll put the boat in the water and give it a test ride. Thanks for stopping by.